What's up, guys? I got a great video for you guys today. In this one, I'm going to show you how to use the Measure app on your iPhone. Okay, I'm going to swipe down from the middle of my screen like so, type in the word Measure, and right here is the icon. Just click on that. All right, so we are in. As you can see, we have this buttons. This is the one to go back. This is the one to clear the measurements. Right here, this is a pointer. And this is the plus sign is how we going to create a point. And this one right here is to take a picture of our measurements. We're gonna specify all of them. Okay, so right here, this is my laptop. As you can see, by just hovering over it, my iPhone immediately detects that it's a rectangle. Okay, so if I just click with my finger on that square, it immediately provides me with all the measurements, even the centimeters squared. So that's amazing. Okay, but what if I want to do this manually? Okay, I'm just going to hit clear right here and hit clear again because it keeps recognizing it. Okay, so I'm just going to hover with a pointer right on the edge of the laptop and hit the plus sign so I can create a point. Okay, so there's the point. Just gonna drag this and to the other edge and click the plus sign again. Okay, so I created a line. It's 32 centimeters. As you can see, I can snap my pointer to those points. It immediately, if I hover over them, it snaps to them. If I want to continue measuring, I have to snap it, click the plus sign, and drag to another point. And then hit the plus sign again. Okay, so again, just snap there, click the plus sign, and continue to the other side. Plus sign. Okay, and then snap again, plus sign, and there, plus sign. So as you can see, I did it, but manually now. Okay, so if I want to take a picture of this, I'm just gonna hit this button right here, and boom, we have a picture of our measurements. Okay, now I'm gonna clear this. Okay, so now that we cleared our measurements, I wanted to show you what other types of measurements we can do. This is going to be more of a manual one. So this is our table, right? Okay, I'm just gonna stand right in the middle. Okay, I'm gonna point to the edge. Okay, click the plus sign. I'm gonna drag. Try to go slowly, guys. Remember, we're dealing with gyroscopes and a lot of other sensitive equipment. So just go to the edge, click the plus sign. Okay, remember to snap again if you want to continue measuring, plus sign. Go to the other edge, plus sign. Okay, snap again, plus sign. Slowly, so the more consistent and slowly we do this, the more precise our measurements are going to be. All right, and snap to that last point, plus sign. And there we go, 98 centimeters. Remember, this is not exact. I'm sure the table is about 100 centimeters exactly. Right here it says 1.71. I'm sure it's like 1.7. If we check the other side, it says 1.81. So again, it's not exactly precise. Plus, as you can see, I didn't hit the exact edge. So there you go. Look, this is 1 meter exact. Okay, and what else can we do? You can click right here. As you can see, it generates another point. We can continue to measure and even snap to other points. So I can go from here to this, or even from here to the center of the. So we can toy around with all these measurements. And again, we can take a picture right here, save that, and we can clear all those measurements right here. So we can start all over again. We can, for example, measure this. And voila. I'll clear this again. Okay, I'm gonna head on over to our photos. Well, first of all, to our main screen by swiping up. Okay, my photos are here, but if you can't find yours, just swipe down from the middle of your screen, type the word photos, click on that, and as you can see, here is the first picture we took. If I swipe left, this is the other picture we took. So as you can see, this is a very, very powerful application, and you can use it for all sorts of measurements. So I hope this was helpful, guys. Please like and subscribe, and I will continue to give you guys more helpful tips like this one. Cheers.